Hey folks, Bob Holzacker here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Warming up here. I hope it's getting warmer wherever you are, unless you're already in Florida. This would be a great Florida car, by the way. 2018 C Coupe, traded here on a new Mercedes-Benz. Behind the star that you're looking at now, you have the brake assist system, which is radar-based. It's going to detect someone stopped in the road, a pedestrian, something like that. This coupe has our famous 4MATIC system. All four wheels are powered all the time. You would see that if you put the car up on a lift. It really is a fabulous system in the snow, the rain, things like that. The car looks like a new car. I don't see any chips or anything like that at all. It's indicative of the way our customers keep their cars. They maintain them well. They've had the wherewithal to maintain the car and then trade it here on a new one. And of course they get a nice trade-in from us because the cars are always in great shape. We never go to the auto auction. Take a look inside. I think the white goes perfectly with this color interior. You have the Burmester sound system, which is 580 watts. Heated seats. And a nice sunroof. So give me a call if you have questions. We'd like to put it in your driveway. 207-747-9714. Thank you.